Hi lovelies! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Lookfantastic. So if you want to see what's inside in Lookfantastic March 2022, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, we're unboxing Lookfantastic for this month. If you are new to this subscription box, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £15 a month, including the shipping fee, and every month you will receive 6 beauty products from skincare to makeup. But they have also subscription plan available that if you subscribe for 12 months, it will cost you like £13 a month, and if you subscribe for 6 months, it will cost you around like £13.75. All the info, as always, lovelies, will be in the description box below. So yes, let's open this box. Ooh. So this month design box, it's gorgeous, really gorgeous. I really do love it. Here is the box, and it says women are unstoppable, tough, powerful, confident, tenacious, enough. I love it. I really love this this month box, the design. I really love it. And then on the lid it says you are enough. Hashtag LF beauty packs. And then we have the booklet, a thumbs up, and it says the empowerment issue. Here we go. And let's see next month's spoiler. So what's coming up? April is just around the corner, and this year is all about ingredients. So for next month, we will receive from Avant, and this is the Yalu Replenish Lip Balm, and this one is worth £56. And says, for satin smooth hydrated lips, this soothing balm aims to leave lips irresistibly soft, youthful, and nourished. It combines the perfect formula of hyaluronic acid and kopaku. I can't pronounce that word. Next month spoiler. Let's open this one. We have the tissue paper, and then we have the products inside, and let's see each one. So the first product we have here, and this is the spoiler for this month, and I'm really excited for this one. This is from Sachuan Stockholm Styling Cream, straight or curly, so it's for all hair types. As you can see, I'm using at the moment the Ocean Mist from this brand, and I love the smell. I really love how it leaves my hair very shiny, soft. So I really enjoy using this one. So I'm glad we have the styling cream. And this one, the price, as always, lovely, I will pop in here. And this one is 125 ml. This is a full size, and it says replenish your tresses with the transforming powers of the Sachuan Volume Styling Cream. The fast absorbing cream utilizes ocean silk technology to drench your locks in moisture, minimizing the look of split ends and fly away. So yeah, how to use this one: apply the volume cream to damp hair, then blow dry to maximize volume. So yes, can't wait to try this one. And then the next one we have here, this is from Espa. This is the refining skin polish, brightening exfoliator to refine and smooth. It has 15 ml, so this is just a deluxe shampoo size. And it says here, smooth and airbrush the appearance of your skin. Refining skin polish from Espa, infused with a host of beneficial ingredients. The face scrub is charged with a nourishing formula to help comfort. So yeah, I tried Espa products, really good. And as we know, this brand is quite expensive, so glad that we have in here. And then we have another full-size product here from Star Skin, Trim Kiss Plumping and Hydrating Biocellulose Lip Mask. We have one pair in here, and this one, it says deliver your lips otherworldly hydration with the intensely nourishing properties of the Star Skin Trim Kiss Plumping and Hydrate Cellulose Lip Mask, formulated with naturally fermented vitamin-rich sweet coconut extract. So yes, and I tried this one before, but I think it's a different packaging. It's a good product. It leaves my lips really soft, very hydrated man, but it's only 1 month, so I didn't try it properly, to be honest. So yes, we have 1 pair in here. And then the next product we have here from Emma Hardy, another great brand. This is the Brilliance Facial Oil. Here we go. I love this product. This is just a deluxe sample size. It has 5 ml. And it says, infuse your skin with the nourishing properties of Emma Hardy Brilliance Facial Oil, a lightweight oil complex that condition, hydrate, and soothe the complexion, formulated with 9 essential oil. This will leave your skin feeling bright and refreshed. And I tried this product before. As you can see, it's in my collection. This one is quite less. That's 5 ml, but it's a different packaging. This one has 5 ml, so they have the same amount. But yes, I really do like this. As you know, I have dry skin, but I don't really like the feeling of oil on my skin. But this one, it's really lightweight, smooth and soft, and I really do like the finish on my skin. So yes, glad that I got another one, because I almost emptied mine, as you can see. And then I think these other 2 products that I will mention, I think there will be like some difference, because we have only 4 products mentioned in the booklet. So these 2 products here, it wasn't mentioned at all. So here we have from Luvia, I think. And this is the 308 detail shader brush. I don't mind receiving brushes in my subscription boxes. I love receiving brushes in my subscription boxes. And this one is really soft, doesn't lose any bristles. So yes, I will try it. I never heard from this brand, so I will try it and let's see. It's quite strong to the glue, so yeah, we'll see that one. And on my lineup, lovelies, I think I'll mention there the lipstick from this brand. I don't remember the brand, but yeah, I mentioned a lipstick in there. And on their site, I just check it. I think there will be like variation. I think there will be either this one or another mascara and that lipstick. So in my box, I received the mascara from Revolution. Here we go. So this one here. And to be honest, lovelies, I tried few mascara from Revolution. It's not really my favorite one. It doesn't go with my lashes because it's smudged throughout the day. I'm not really fan of the Revolution mascara. The other product from Revolution, I really do like their eyeshadow, but the mascara, I'm not fan of it. So yes, I would prefer the lipstick, to be honest, if I will choose. That's all, as you can see. And let's do a recap first, lovely. So you will receive the Sachawan styling cream, which is a full size, deluxe sample size from Espa, the refining skin polish, brightening exfoliate, the full size from Star Skin, the Dream Kiss plumping and hydrating lip mask, the deluxe sample size from Emma Hardy, which is the 5 ml, the Brilliance Facial Oil. And then I think this one has 2 variation, but I am not 100% sure. This one here, the Luvia brush, the detail shader one, and this one I'm sure there will be a variation. And this one, the mascara from Revolution, which is I'm not really fan of. So yeah, that's it, lovelies, what I received this month. And overall, lovelies, this is my last box from Lookfantastic, because as I said, I subscribed for 6 months. And to be honest, lovelies, for the spoiler for next month, I'm not really happy about it, because I'm not really fan of that brand, because I think it's overrated and overpriced. So yes, I think I will post at the moment my subscription from Lookfantastic, but I will still do the lineup. But yes, I think I will post at the moment. Definitely I will use this one, the Emma Hardy one, the brush, the lip mask, and the Espa one. So yes, overall lovelies, it's a thumbs up, and I think yes, it's a thumbs up. And that's all for me, lovelies. So, and you, what do you think of this box? Are you subscribed to Lookfantastic? Are you waiting for this box? What did you receive in your box? Let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget also to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.